Hello, my name is Alex the Polymath. Today I'll be giving a brief tutorial on Poster My Wall. So I'm going to type Poster My Wall into my browser, and it will probably be the top result. It says Poster My Wall, easy promotional posters, graphics, and videos. So you click on that, and this is the screen that's going to pop up. I do not have a login, so I'm not going to log in. But if you have one, just log in and create things, create designs. But you can also create if you do not have a login. So I'm going to click on the middle of the screen that says create a design. So I'm going to click on that, and then this screen is going to come up, and a lot of different templates will come up. Let's just try a blank one for now. Let's try a poster. And it'll ask if you want a portrait or landscape. I'll do portrait. So then I create, and you have to choose a background. You can upload an image, do one of these colors, or one of these colors, or it can just be transparent. Let's try some solid colors like blue, darkish blue. And then you apply, and then this is what pops up. You can add a photo. You can add a stock photo, like let's search Statue of Liberty. And then you click search. And here are a few different ones. And then it inserts, and then you can put it in. There, cool. And then if you want to put text, you can click on it to the left. You can add like plain text or fancy text. I'll just add plain text for now, and you can add whatever you want. Statue of Liberty, and that can be the title. And then you can add all sorts of other stuff. So you can change the layout. You can add like tables and put stuff in it. 1, 2, 3. You can add the table. There. There's the table. And then you can add clip art. Like here's some shapes, like you can add this background. Okay, and then there's my background, and you can add some media. You can like add videos and audio. I don't have any available currently, so I'm not gonna add it. And you can also switch the background, but I like my background, so I'm gonna keep it. Oh, and you can also add different types of clip art, like I'll search dog. There. Here's a good one. Okay, and this is a basic tutorial on creating a Poster My Wall poster. Thank you for listening.